Listen to this idle. The new bikes don't do this. That's a hallmark of a well-tuned shovelhead. Floor of the New England Motorcycle Museum, surrounded by $100,000 award-winning show bikes, and the one that sticks out like a diamond is this 1970 FLH Electric Glide King of the Road 1200cc shovelhead. This is absolutely the nicest example we've ever seen or had at the museum, and I've been to Daytona 30 years in a row. I've yet to see a finer example. Lovingly cared for over a 49-year period by the, actually, what year did he buy it, Kenny? 1978, so 41 years it's been owned by the same guy. He did a frame-up restoration about 10 years ago on it, and it's absolutely stunning, beautiful, original condition, and I think the pictures speak for themselves, and the way it runs speaks for itself, and I'm going to take it for a nice ride and show you what's up. I think it's proper on the eve of Americade that I get to ride this piece of American tradition here, and there are some other FLHs like this blue one over here, this 1966, which is a nice bike, but not nearly as nice as the green and white one. The fit and finish is stunning. So we've had some nice shovel heads through here. I love shovel heads. It's one of the most beautiful motors Harley's ever made, but this thing is just off the hook. If you look at some of the details on it, it still has the king. Look at this, 50-year-old sticker on the back here. It's 49 years old, actually. Harley Davidson king-size windshield. Just a beautiful piece. The paint job is stunning, the original color. This one at the Thompson Motor Speedway, the Best American in the bike show, and there was some seriously nice bikes here. It was a vintage motorcycle show, and this was Best American. Here's the actual original picture from 1970 in the magazine. You can see the bike is exactly the way it came out of the factory. Just beautiful, and it runs as nice as it looks, as I'll demonstrate in a minute. Let me get the title over here so I can show you this real quick. This has been owned by the same guy since '78. Like I said, the title looks brand new. It's been carefully maintained. So I got my helmet on. I'm ready to rumble. I can't wait to take this thing out. This is the Commonwealth of Massachusetts Registry of Motor Vehicles title. So no problem exporting this bike or shipping it anywhere in the country. And then we've got the consignment paperwork here from him. He bought it down and asked us if we'd sell it for him. I wish we had the money to keep it ourselves in the museum, but that's not the case right now. Our money's all tied up in the building and other bikes, so it's going up for sale. If you buy this and you want to leave it in the museum, that would be awesome. But look around, see if you can find a nicer one. I don't think you will. And think about the value of this thing, what it's worth today and what it's going to be worth a few years down the road. You know, with the knuckles and the pans going off the map price-wise, the shovels are the next one, and it's actually a better motorcycle too. Like I told you, come here. Engine's cold, fires right up. Wow, didn't even click when it went into gear. What a beautiful piece. A little bit different than my FX DXT, that's for sure. We're setting up for bike night here, and they're getting the band ready. Getting the stage ready for the band. This was Harley Davidson's top-of-the-line model when it was built, and it's designed for highway cruising. Shifts beautifully. I like the windshield, how it's not too tall. You can see over the windshield. I don't like looking through a windshield. You know, it feels just like you're riding a new motorcycle. There's no weird vibrations, and the motor is balanced nicely. Doesn't make any engine or crank noise or clutch or training noise. Just a super nice piece. It's getting hard to find a shovel head in nice shape, and I'm telling you straight up, if you buy one, and it needs a full restoration, it's going to take you a year to do it, frame up restoration, and parts are getting harder to find. Your best bet is buy one that's done like this one. So yeah, we're heading up to Immaculate. Christy and I are heading up as soon as she gets out of work. I'm pretty excited about that. We're going to ride the dyno up there. Hope to see some of you guys up there. Stay tuned. I've got 9 other kick-ass bikes that are beautiful classics that are coming up for sale on our YouTube channel. If you haven't subscribed yet, please hit the subscribe button. And stay tuned. We got some great videos coming up. Great bikes. Please click like on the video and share it if you would. I'm trying to build our subscriber base. That's how we support doing all these videos and buying all the equipment and everything. What a beautiful machine. Paint job stunning. Real head turner. This is a bike that'll empty out the bar when you pull up and there's a parking lot full of brand new full dressers that all look the same. I guarantee you'll have the only shovel head in the group. Handles beautifully. Really nice. Smooth ride. Beautiful day out today. Looking forward to the ride up to Immaculate. It's about 3 hours from here. If you've been watching our videos, we just came off of Rockstock. That was an incredible week. I think I worked about 90. I know I worked about 96 hours last week. In the last 7 days, we worked around the clock putting that show together, and we're getting ready for Mini Bike Mania. That's coming up June 22nd. That one's for the kids and the big kids. And then Motorcycle Mania is after that. If you want an investment quality classic that's not gonna need any work, and it's gonna be going up in value as soon as you buy it, I would say buy this bike. It's a safe bet. This has a unique seat on it that has a lot of suspension travel in the seat. I'd say the seat has probably 4 inches of suspension travel in the shock system it has underneath it, which isolates it from the road, which is great. This bike was in our Cafe Racer show last year. Also, he brought it to the show. And it's been in the museum for about a month, and he called up, decided he wanted us to sell it for him. So if you're interested in buying this bike, give the shop a call, 860-454-7024. Ask for Kenny Jr. He'll take care of you. We ship it anywhere in the country for $750 or less. Heck, we can get it to the UK for $750, so don't let the shipping scare you. And it's always less expensive to own a classic like this, to register and insure it, than it is a new bike that taxes. There's my dyno. I'm riding that bad boy up to Immaculate this weekend tonight. It's gonna be fun. I'm looking forward to it. Cash for bikes. We buy bikes. If you have a collection or you want something sold, give us a call. Kenny and I will take care of it for you. I'm gonna ride it back in the museum. Every bike's a little bit different. Takes a little getting used to figure out where all the controls are and the foot pegs and everything. Compared to my dyno, it's a totally different trip. Surrounded by beautiful bikes. Stunning example of Americana, that's for sure. Hey, come close, I want them to hear this. Listen to this idle. Can you hear me? Listen to this idle. The new bikes don't do this. That's a hallmark of a well-tuned shovel head. Listen to that thing. So Kenny, is there anything you'd like to add about this bike?
This isn't working. Okay. Since when did it shut off?
When I pulled it.
Okay. But no, I mean, the bike speaks for itself. If you guys have any questions, give us a call on the shop line, 860-454-7024. Bob will be available to serious buyers only, but give us a call. We can get the bike shipped affordably anywhere in the States safely, more importantly.
Come up a little closer and listen to the engine. There's no rattling or knocking or ticking. That's one of the quietest shovelhead motors I've ever heard, and there's no oil leaking. This motor's like a brand new bike.
It's impeccable.
It's absolutely stunning. Listen to the tailpipe model a little bit more. You did. Yeah. Again. 1970 all over again. It's music to my ears, that's for sure. Good luck bidding on it, and God bless America.